What's up, YouTube? It's Birthday Boy coming at you with a quick update. Uh, I ain't made a video in a minute, but that don't mean I ain't been working. Got a couple drag cars I'm working on. I'm gonna show you one. It's a '06 Mustang. I said I'm gonna make it short, good look to everybody in the contest. The car's a limited street car. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the box. I don't know if you know too much about drag racing, but limited street cars is basically street cars with all the horsepower you can have. Here it is. Made like the old style Mustang. Since it looks like an old Mustang. Custom made hood. Poultry, no timer. Got his own number. You can see the gas line going through the car to the fuel cell. Fix my light. All my wheels, bolts, lug nuts, everything. See the front. I made like old Krager rims on it. Like I say, once again, to go with the old thing, got the rear parachute. See the inside, custom roll cage all the way through. Custom made hood. Show you the motor in it. Yeah, it's a big baby. Like I say, the car's not 100% done, but it's working there. Like I say, once with the limited street car, it's basically a street car, full interior, with all the horsepower you can have. You can see that fuel line. Turn around for you for a second. Like I say, it's not 100% done. The wheel's not all the way glued on, nothing like that. The fuel line, as you can see, runs all the way up from through the inside the car to the motor. As you can take a look at the wheels. Like I say, custom made hood. Like I say, these cars are very powerful street cars. I think they have to drive like 30 miles before you can even get a chance to qualify in the race. Like I say, it got everything in it. All my screws detailed for my adjustable shocks in the front. Say, take one of the wheels off, see if you can see it. Yeah, like I say, wheel locks on it, lug nuts. The mark on the tire. If you don't know what that's for, just to see if the tire's spinning on the rim. Got all that. Like I say, parachute. I got the wire cable to the parachute. Pretty good detail. Like I said, I'm gonna make this update quick. So far, this is what I have. Custom made wing for it. Parachute has a bracket, it's not just bolted to the car, it's really off the car, like the car should be. Like I say, this is just 80% of it. I'm still gonna put the laptop system in there for all the electronics for the car. And that'd probably be it. More videos coming. Birthday Boy's out.